Alright guys, and run this for Matt. He's got the top 3 win a gauntlet bobblehead here, 722. We're going to go live. We are live. 7:22 a.m. 7:22 a.m. Grab the list. And I always double check. We got 25 spots at 2 each, top 3 win. Alright, I will drop it into random. 25 entries, Josh on the bottom, Ollie on top. 25 entries, roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6, that's good. We're going 6 times, top 3 win, good luck. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times, dice is a 6. Next click, top 3 spots win, good luck. And 6, congrats to Justin, Greg, and Ollie. You guys are the winners. Get in touch with Matt and get your bobbleheads. We are done. 7:23. Go back, we will type done. We are done. 7:23. 7:23. Here is the verification and the timestamp.